What's up guys, welcome to the new vlog. Ray here, excited to bring to you another video. But before we do that guys, as you can see, I've grown a little beard. Comment down below, what do you think of my beard? I'm trying to grow it out all the way, but I don't know, it's really itchy. And I've gone blonde for the winter. But besides all that, some bad news. I got some bad news guys. RIP to Virgil Abloh. If you guys don't know Virgil Abloh, he started Off-White. He was the fashion director with Louis Vuitton. He's been inspiring to lots of people, including me too. RIP to Virgil Abloh. Oh my God, what terrible news last weekend. This is terrible. It's really terrible. But we're gonna honor him in all ways we can. And RIP Virgil. Just a second of silence for Virgil. Life is too short guys. This is crazy. If you're down out there guys, if you're feeling like you want to accomplish something, just go ahead and do it. Set out there and do it really. It's really, life is too short. This is just a reminder, life is too short. All right guys, let's get into today's video. It's an unboxing. I've got the Yeezy 350s, the clay ones. These ones came out a while back, and shout out to Finded. Finded is a website where you can sell clothes, buy clothes, trade, do whatever. It took me up with these ones, and this is amazing. Shout out to them. And I'm gonna quickly just open them up. So this is some few stickers from StockX. Amazing. Put them on the side, and this is a shoe. 350 clays. I've been searching for these ones for a while guys. This shoe, whew, this is gonna stay in my collection for a while. I love them. This is a second-hand model, by the way. It's not new, as you can see. It's one, and yeah, I got them for a good price too, which is amazing. Really amazing. I'm gonna rock them a lot. Right, the Yeezy 350 clays. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Do you got this in your collections for the winter? Let me know. All right, nothing else in the, oh yeah, I got a stick here from StockX too. That's it guys. Just a quick unboxing for the 350 clay. There we go. What do you guys think? Yeah, that's it. Catch you guys on the next one. Big count on that.